channel. As you can see, I have two boxes here. We're gonna do Birchbox versus Play by Sephora for March of 2019. I figured I'd do these two together because they're both $10 a month and they both come with around 5 samples. Play by Sephora, you do get 5 samples plus a bonus, and it's usually a perfume sample. And then with Birchbox lately, occasionally there'll be a 6th sample depending on the month. And there is a new change to Birchbox, which I'm pretty excited about because hopefully the products will get better. First thing with Birchbox is that they're raising their prices. If you're a current subscriber, well, the price depends on the type of subscription you buy, meaning like if it's a 3-month, a 6-month, a 12-month, monthly. And it also is based on if you're an ace or not. Now, I am an ace, so my price is not gonna raise. It's gonna stay at $10 a month. To become an ace, you have to spend $300 in a calendar year. I did see some spoilers for April's box, and you're still able to choose your sample. But what's really cool is I noticed that instead of having a choice of 1 curated box, they actually give you a choice of 2 curated boxes. So you can choose either one of 2 curated boxes or a sample for the month. Usually what I do is I'll pick a sample, and then you'll be surprised with the other 4. And then if I like a curated box, I'll purchase a curated box. And I already saw a curated box that I liked for April, so I'll probably purchase that as well. And I know that if I wasn't an ace, then it would have gone up for me. It would be $13 a month because I do pay monthly. So for me, it would be $13 a month if I was not an ace. So it is going to go up $3 if I lose my ace status. With saying that, let's unbox Birchbox first. This is the box for the month. I think it's really pretty. I always love their boxes, but I feel like they are a little too cheap to save. Honestly, I used to save them, but I just don't feel like that the quality is there to save them for a long-term benefit. Mine came a little ripped, so I wouldn't save it anyway. I've seen the UK version of Birchbox, and they have really cool boxes. Their boxes actually pull out a drawer, so I think those are more usable than these. But let's get into it. When you open up your box, you'll see a little pamphlet, and this theme is invent the reality you want to live. The future starts now. And then on the other side, you'll have a list of your products with all the full-size prices. And in reference to the front, this month the world celebrates International Women's Day. To inspire and encourage progress for women's rights, we're giving at least 5 people $5,000 to pursue their dreams. We can't wait to see how you change your reality. Let's get into the first product. Well, the first thing I'm going to show you is actually an add-on I purchased. Birchbox does have where you can add additional items into your box for full-size prices, of course. And I did pick up these Invisibobble hair ties. They're $8. I really enjoy these more now than ever. The first thing is my sample choice of the month. This is from Amika. This is a pink charcoal scalp cleansing oil. The full size of this is $25. It's made with detoxifying pink clay and stimulating maize flower extract. This oil to foam pre-shampoo treatment removes product buildup. You want to actually apply it to your dry hair, let it foam, rinse it out, and then you will follow with your regular shampoo and conditioner. Next thing, of course, it's from Manica D'Or, because I feel like there's always a Manica D'Or product in Birchbox. It is a black eyeliner. I hope that Birchbox stops giving us black eyeliners all the time. I went on the Birchbox website. I compared this 0.30 grams to the full size on their website. And to my surprise, this is actually the full size. This is valued at $19. I don't know if the packaging is exactly the same, but to me it looked the same. I really just went by this 0.30 grams. It says it's formulated for long-lasting, budge-proof wear. This jet black eyeliner glides on effortlessly. Dot the color along your lash line, then fill in to create your desired look. Now it is sealed, but I'm gonna open it and swatch it. I finally got it open after about 5 minutes trying to get that plastic off. This is what the tip looks like, and it looks pretty precise. And let's see how it goes on. It goes on really nicely. I like these for my waterline, so I don't have many pencils like this. I get a lot of like liquid eyeliners. The next thing is from the brand Marula. This is a light hair oil treatment. Full size of this is $26. This sulfate and paraben-free oil conditions, tames frizz, and adds shine without weighing hair down. Run a dime-sized amount through damp or dry strands. It's a really tiny bottle, but for me, this is just enough. I don't use a lot of these kinds of oils in my hair. This next thing I've actually been wanting to try for a very, very long time. It's from Perlice. It's the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Bomb. The full size is $45. Watermelon hydrates, aloe vera reduces inflammation, and cucumber soothes in this gel moisturizer that instantly energizes skin. Apply a thin, even layer to your face before SPF. It's for oily to combination or normal skin, and it says even sensitive skin can use it. It's lightweight, oil-free. It refreshes skin and moisturizes. And then the last but not least is from a brand I've actually heard of through Birchbox. And I've tried maybe one of their products from, getting a sample in a previous box. I think it was a moisturizer. But this is from a brand called Comfort Zone. It's an active pureness fluid. I had no idea what that meant, but it says it's a mattifying hydrating fluid. The full size is valued at $43, so it's really pricey. The size of this is 0.27 fluid ounces. It's a lightweight moisturizer, hydrates your skin while mattifying powders create a smooth, even surface, making it an ideal base for makeup. It says it's ideal in the presence of enlarged pores and excess sebum. The skin looks hydrated and matte for a long time. Recommended for oily and impure skins. This is everything for my March Birchbox. I wasn't super excited about it, but I wasn't disappointed because they followed my profile pretty good. I'm just tired of getting black eyeliners. I mean, it's full size, so I'm happy that it's full size, but please, no more black eyeliners. Now, let's get into Sephora Play. Again, it's $10 a month, and you do get 5 sample size items, and you do get a bonus. Usually it's a perfume sample, and sometimes it's like a foil packet. I'm very happy with this month's box. I loved every single thing that was in it. When you open your box, you'll always have your little pamphlet on the top, and you do get your 50 Beauty Insider points. The only thing with this is if you use it online, you cannot use any other promo code. This is the only thing you can use. You'll have the theme, which is Beauty in Bloom, and of course it's about spring, and this one is spring tips and tricks that are perfect for this season's budding beauty. So they started sending these plastic bags now, but honestly, all I do with these is put them right in the recycle. The first product, it is from the Sephora collection, and this is the Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. Now, this is one of those products to where it would be nice if we received a full size. I actually like travel size mascaras. They don't bother me at all because I get so many and I like to try a few at the same time. And this is what the packaging looks like. I love this packaging. I think that it is really cute. Let's see what else we got. I was so excited to get, this is actually the bonus, and this is from Yves Saint Laurent, and this is Black Opium. This perfume is my absolute favorite thing in the whole world. It smells so good. The next product is from First Aid Beauty, and these are the Facial Radiance Pads, and we actually get 10 of them in here. I have the full size now, and I love it. I use it every other night because I go back and forth with my Tarte Knockout treatment, and because that Tarte Knockout treatment is so strong, I do use it every other day, and then I'll use this in between. This is a daily treatment pad that exfoliates, tones, and brightens, and it's good for all skin types. Now, the reason why I like it, and it does say here, it revives dull skin and creates a smooth canvas for makeup application with these safe and effective pads that use lactic and glycolic acids. Natural ingredients also help tone skin and deliver radiant complexion. I don't use this in the daytime because of the fact that it has glycolic and lactic acid. I don't really use acids during the day. The next product here is from Amika, and I have gotten this dry shampoo at least 3 or 4 times between Birchbox and Sephora Play. I actually have 2 of these little guys in my hair drawer now. This is the Perk Up Dry Shampoo. This one is one of my absolute favorites. It has a really nice fresh scent. It is an oil-absorbing spray that instantly refreshes hair and adds volume. The next thing is from Makeup Forever, and this is actually a foundation. This is the Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation in Y415. It says it's a lightweight, medium coverage foundation that hydrates skin for an even complexion. It says this spring makeup bag essential provides seamless, sheer coverage that lasts. Ideal for all skin types, it leaves you with a comfortable, natural finish. I like that it's a little pump. So I put a tiny little dot there, and on camera, it looks way yellow and it looks way too dark. But as soon as I take my hands away from the camera, it's blending into my skin perfectly. Like, I mean, it is matching me perfectly. And then the last but not least is something I've really been wanting to try for a while now, and it's from It Cosmetics. This is the Confidence in a Cleanser Skin Transforming Hydrating Cleansing Serum. It's a face wash. It's basically a face wash. It says it's a one-step cleanser that hydrates skin and leaves it soft and refreshed. This innovative formula is part cleanser, part hydrator. It will remove all makeup, even the stubborn waterproof kinds, while leaving skin balanced and rejuvenated. It kind of reminds me of the Philosophy, that 4-in-1 one-step cleanser. So this is the size. It is a 0.6 fluid ounce. I wish it was a little bigger. It's for all skin types, gentle enough for your sensitive eye area. The sulfate-free, soap-free formula instantly melts away impurities and long-wear makeup. Proprietary anti-aging armor, rejuvenating concentrate, immerses your skin in moisture and leaves it looking radiant and transformed. This is everything I received in my Sephora play: mascara, dry shampoo, these toner pads, foundation, face wash, and then I got my favorite perfume sample. I thought it was pretty good. I actually think that out of Birchbox and Sephora Play, I think Sephora is winning it for me for March. Now, I liked Birchbox too. I think they were both pretty good, but I think this one blew it away for me. If you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and feel free to share it and help me grow my channel. I have an Instagram as well, which I am very active on too. My name on Instagram is the same as my YouTube, except it's at skincare_glam. It will be in the description box down below, as well as the links for Birchbox and Sephora Play. So if you're interested, you can take a look at both subscriptions. Until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.